There goes a red jumbo on the right cover up airway. Might be red and blue. It's going right there. And here's one of the Cessnas from behind my house. He just crossed by the red jumbo that's about to make a right-hand turn. He's already leaning into it. They're so lazy. Look, he's already going right there. Like, he's turning right already. Dude, it's like hundreds of yards closer than they used to do it. Look, he just made his right. I have him in line with the corner of the house. It's amazing.